Hello everyone, my name is Kim and welcome to Kim's Korean class. Nice to meet you. Do you want to sing along to BTS song? Do you want to send a letter to K-pop star in Korean? Do you want to watch Korean dramas without subtitles? I will help you out. I will help you master Korean. Let's start with the Korean alphabet, Hangeul. This is Hangeul. There are 40 letters in use today, 19 consonants and 21 vowels as shown in the picture. What do you think of these characters? Isn't it beautiful? There are 21 vowels, 10 basic vowels, and 11 complicated vowels. Hangeul vowels, they resemble the shape of the sky, the earth, and human. The vowels were created by combining these three basic characters. O was created by combining the shape of the sky and the earth. U was created by combining the shape of the earth and the sky. A was created by combining the shape of the human and the sky. O was created by combining the shape of the sky and the human. A, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이, 에, 예, 에, 예, 와, 왜, 으, 워, 왜, 위, 의. There is a specific order when writing in Korean, from top to bottom and from left to right. 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이, 에, 예, 에, 예, 와, 왜, 왜, 워, 왜, 위, 의. See you in the next video. Bye.